really a lot of fun.
Doesn't that look like human beings right there?
Yeah. I'm like, hey, Ben, want to see a waterfall we have in Pennsylvania? It's a teeny tiny baby.
Really loud.
That's better. We like, put this up on YouTube. Whatever you do not go on YouTube. That video I took's on it. Nah, I just put it up to give the link to Ben for him to see. Speaking of which, he did say he could come out once we go out there. He could come out for a week. So either which way. Yep. Hey Adam, we gotta take him out to the woods for the entire week.
Sounds good.
I'll alert him to bring his tent.
There we go. Now it sounds loud. It was just a trickle when I came over here. That probably increased the speed of the whole creek all the way down.
Somewhat, yes it did. Oh, hell yes it did. That's going out to the river by Llewellyn, which also goes out to Branchvale, which is further up.
To be fair warned, now that the water is running faster, it needs to